How's it going, everybody? This is a box break of WWE Undisputed, the first high-end WWE product, 2015. You get 7 autographs and 3 auto relics inside, so you basically get a hit per pack. There's 10 packs. So, yeah, there you go. That's what the box looks like. Alright, now let's try and open this. I don't usually buy WWE cards, like, I love WWE, of course, but, I don't know, wrestling cards just really aren't my thing, but, you know, since you get a hit per box, or hit per pack, or whatever, I figured I'd try this out, you know. Cards look pretty cool. It's like a high-end product, so it's like getting triple threads, just with wrestling autos, so figured why not? Alright. Okay, I don't think we have a book card. I think I would have figured that out by now. Okay, there we go. Oh my lord. Come on. There we go. I think there's a parallel on the back. Yeah, I'll just pull up one, because sometimes there's more than one parallel on the back. And sometimes there's just one, so. Alright, Razor Ramon, 62 of 99. That's a nice card. I like that card. DDP. Doink. Think this is the hit. Is that Big Show or Ryback? Ah, it's the Big Show. Whoa. And we got an 8 in English. Big Show. It's numbered to 50 at least. 31 of 50. Big Show. Big Show autograph. Alright. Here we go. Come on. We need to get this going. Taking too long to do this shit. Alright. Pull one from the back. Naomi red. These are not numbered, by the way. But it is a parallel. Cowboy Bob Orton. Jey Uso. Oh, this is just the evolution thing. John Cena versus Edge. Cage evolution moments. And then another 1 to 50. Alright. Shirt relic. Looks like it's kind of 2-color, because it's like, it feels kind of weird too. I guess they got it from the like the logo part of the shirt. This is 5 of 50 Mark Henry auto shirt relic. Alright. Let's try and speed things up here. So we got 2 50s already. That's pretty nice. Getting some parallels. Ah, look at this jobber. What do we got on the back here? A Ravishing Rick Rude to 25. 9 of 25. Connor. Eric Rowan. Garbage Man. Another Cage Evolution Moments. Big Show versus Daniel Bryan versus Mark Henry from Royal Rumble 2012. And yeah, there we go. Dean Ambrose. Just the base version. Alright. Shirt relic. Small DA signature. Not numbered. Alright. So far, can't complain too much except for the Big Show auto. Alright. Just. Yeah, we got 2. I could see that we had 2 anyway, so I just pulled up 2. Yokozuna, famous finishers, Bonsai Drop, red. Alana to 50. I miss Lana. Don't we all? Don't we all? Alright. Cameron. Oh, there we go. Ryback. Feed me more. There we go. On-card autograph. Base version. And another parallel. 5 of 50. From the 2014 Elimination Chamber match. I'll just say that. Alright. Dang, this video is going longer than I'm hoping it would be. So let's try and speed it up. There's a Connor. Who cares about that jobber? Adam Rose. George Animal Steel. Pull this one up. Another parallel. 450. The Miz Famous Finishers. And the hit. Edge. There we go. Nice. Nice. You think you know me. Da, 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 da. Edge. The Rated R Superstar. There we go. Alright. That's pretty cool. So far, no really crappy autos, to be honest. No divas. There's probably a diva in here now that I say this, but Big Boss Man red. Another red. Cage Evolution moments. Dean Ambrose vs. Rollins from Hell in a Cell. Alright. The Champ, John Cena. And what do you know? We do have a diva. And it's Lita. There we go. Nice. Lita on-card autograph. And I haven't showed the back, but there you go. That's what it would say on the back. Alright. So far, still doing pretty good. What do we got? 4 packs left. Pretty good box so far. Alright, Jey Uso to 99. Big E. It's a new day. Yes, it is. There we go. Sheamus. This is from the 2015 Chamber match. I guess for the Intercontinental Championship, I think it was, yeah. Oh no, we got a Fandango. I haven't seen one of his yet. Oh no. I got a Fandango. Damn it. Auto. Relic, just base. Alright, and a Sami Zayn. I would get a Fandango. Alright, come on. Alright. Oh, we got a Finn Balor sighting. Parallel, 48 of 99. That's his first NXT card. Damien Sandow, Kofi Kingston. Another Big Show. What? And we got Triple H, Brock Lesnar. Cage Evolution moments. But damn. Another Big Show. What the fuck? Come on. This is... Alright, here we go. Just a couple packs left. Alright, there's a Fandango parallel to 99. Nikki Bella. Daniel Bryan. Let's do the... yeah, let's do that one. Bret Hart, Famous Finishers. And... Bray Wyatt. Alright. Bray Wyatt. Base. Auto. Alright. That means we're up to the last one. Come on, Kevin Owens, or... I don't know. Alright. So we got a red page. Oh my god. Pico's marking out. Bret Hart. Mr. Perfect. Cage Evolution. No, that's Famous Finishers. Edge Spear. And... oh, it's an NXT. Oh, but it's Enzo Amore. How you doing? Enzo Amore on-card autograph. So here we go. Not gonna do a hit recap because there's way too many hits, but pretty solid box, you know. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied for the most part. Edge, Alita, Bray Wyatt, Dean Ambrose. Got some good ones. So there you go. That is it. Peace out.